We're going to do a surface control test on the ASW28. I've been trying to get this thing to fly, and I've been discovering that they built this thing with reverse servo mounts. So I have to get the servos working in a proper direction. So I had to put in 2 servo reversing modules to get the servos to operate correctly. I'm using a radio that is programmable, but it has to be programmed with a computer, and there's no display on the transmitter on what the program is set at. So I got like 5 different models I can fly, and I set up all the models so they're in their standard configuration, so I don't have to program the transmitter. So okay, we're going to do a surface control check. Left rudder. Hard doing this two-handed. Right rudder, and there's throttle on this controller, or on this stick. So we got throttle. We got left. Left bank. So this will drop the left wing. And that'll raise the right wing. So that appears to be correct. That was reversed, so I had to put a reversing module in there to get that to operate the correct way. And then the elevator. So I push the stick forward, it'll drop the nose. If I pull the stick back, it'll raise the nose. So this was reversed also, so I had to put a reversing module in before the servo to get this to operate correctly. I thought originally it was correct. By pushing the stick forward, it would go up, but that's wrong. When you push the stick forward, the nose should drop. So pull it back, nose goes up. I tried to fly it with this reversed and it wouldn't fly it. My instincts on flying kicked in and it was going down instead of up. So I had already learned that when you pull back it goes up. So I had to reverse that. So flaps. I have that on the, I think it's the 5th channel. So there's the flaps. And then I also have a gyro in here. I have the gyro on the 6th channel. So that's on and that's off. Gyro on, gyro off. So I adjusted the gain, so if it experiences turbulence and the wing comes up, the aileron will move upwards. If the wing lifts, try and push the wing back down. Same thing with the elevator. If it I have a little bias upwards right now, so I'm going to try and fly it trimmed with a little up trim. I don't know how it's going to fly, so I got a little bit of up trim on it right now. In the rudder, there's a little bit of yaw correction in it. So that's what the gyro does. Okay, the next check is center of gravity. There's a couple of center of gravity markers right here. It's that little hole right there, it's marked with CG, so you put your finger right there and check the balance on both sides of the wing. Okay, I got the CG markers set on both points, and the plane is balancing on the center of gravity. This is a really important check. You gotta make sure that your plane is balanced and ready for flight in the attitude that you want to be flying it at. So I think it's ready to fly. The FPV equipment, I can't use these particular goggles without putting reader glasses in front of the Fresnel lens. So I got a piece of foam over there and I wedged it in between two pieces of foam, the reading glasses. And so this is the FPV. This is what we'll be looking at. Yeah, and I think it's ready to fly. We'll be flying the trash can through an obstacle course to get a little stick management in before we fly the glider. The trash can's a micro drone, FPV. So I'll be able to get some stick training in before I fly the glider. Whoa, 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 whoa!